Hello friends, welcome to Loxio Tech YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to block adult or porn websites from your PC or laptop using Google Chrome. It's a very simple method because Google Chrome has built-in filter options to block these types of websites. Let's start. Open Google Chrome, click the three-dot icon in the top right corner, and open the Settings menu. Then open Privacy and Security options. Then again, open Security settings. Under the Advanced option, enable the Secure DNS mode. And also set the Select DNS provider from the OS default to Clean Browsing. Family filter. Save it and restart the browser. It's finished. If you enjoyed this video, then please make sure to subscribe this channel for more tech and tutorials videos. Also make sure to hit the bell icon to get the future upload notifications. And leave a comment if you have any suggestions or doubts. Please share with your friends. Thanks for watching. I hope you had a good time. See you in the next video.